Good afternoon. Welcome to Aero Engine Maintenance and Repair. Myself is Dr. Ramaswamy. So I am the lab in charge for this entire laboratory. So this is one of the most important laboratory where third year students, it's nothing but a sixth semester students of the aeronautical engineers, they will be coming for this lab. So we have around about 10 different kind of experiments. 4 is nothing but your study experiments, and remaining experiments, 2 experiments comes under the category of welding. So one is the welding, which consists of an big and big weld. So you can see, so this is your starting part of your lab, the entrance part of your lab. We have one notice board, which is nothing but your display board. So the task timetable can be seen in this board, and more importantly, you can see what is the important experiments and objectives of this lab according to the MBA course. So we have the objectives and we have the outcomes and we have the list of experiments which we are going to carry out in this lab. Especially the list of experiments as per the batch. So normally if the students is coming for this lab, we will take only 30 students. So we will be just separating the 30 students into 5 different kind of batches, and we will just carry out different kind of experiment as per their academic schedule. So we have about 10 different kind of experiments which is normally based in this, we used to call it as airframe and maintenance repair lab. So other name for this lab is Aero Engine and Airframe Maintenance Lab. So as per University curriculum, the syllabus is AE's, the syllabus used to call it as code. The subject code is AE 6611. The name of the lab is Aero Engine and Airframe Lab. So you can see all the experiment which is there normally displayed in this kind of notice board. This is what it has laboratory mode. So the students will directly come see their what kind of objectives they are going to carry out in today's session. Like that, we have all kind of schedule will be pasted in this notice board, and the students will directly come in and visit this laboratory as per their class timetable. They can see what kind of experiment they are going to do it today. So this is one of the most important. We used to call it as entrance board, we used to call it as entrance board, so that they can come and see what kind of activities is going to happen in this. So what we do it is, according to the kind of display board, we can see the objectives to introduce the knowledge and maintenance and repair procedures followed in overall aero engine. So if you take any kind of aircraft engine, we are going to do all kind of maintenance work, especially with your piston engine and different kind of jet engines, with different kind of tools. We are going to do all kind of experiments. So this is the objectives and outcomes. After the objectives, what kind of outcomes we are going to generate from this lab is nothing but ability to maintain an aero engine. So this is nothing but your outcome after the completion of this 4 years of course. If they are getting a job in different kind of airline industry, the people, our students can easily maintain any kind of aircraft after learning this kind of basic engine maintenance. So we have 10 different kind of experiments. The first experiment is your study experiment. That is nothing but your dismantling and reassembling of the aircraft basic piston engine. So this piston engine is nothing but your reciprocating engine. So the first, we have all kind of setups in this lab. Dismantle the setup of your aircraft piston engine. So what the students will come to know after seeing this kind of display of piston engine, they can know what is piston engine, what kind of different kind of components and different kind of parts of piston engine. They know how to dismantle and assembling of this piston engine. So the students' knowledge level will be just moving up with the help of this dismantling techniques. So we will be teaching them what is a piston engine, what is the different components of the piston engine, what are the different parts of a piston engine, what is the importance of reciprocating engine. Like that, we will be just putting all kind of knowledge to them, so that after completing this program, definitely they know how to operate a piston engine, they know how to dismantle the piston engine, they know how to assemble the piston engine, and more importantly, they have 100% knowledge about the piston engine. So the second experiment, what we are going to teach in this laboratory is your camshaft operation, that comes under the category of firing rod. So normally you know what is the importance of your spark plug. Right? If you take any automobile in the industry, the basic motorcycle engine or any kind of automobile engines, the spark plug is one of the most important ignition system of that particular engine. So same kind of thing, that firing point and flash point of that particular spark, we are going to see manually with help in this laboratory. So second is your camshaft operation. Inside your camshaft operation, what we are going to do, that comes under the category of firing and point. So third experiment is nothing but the lubrication systems. You know what is the importance of your hydraulic systems, pneumatic systems. So if you take lubrication, it is nothing but your lubricating oil which is used for cooling the engines. And for example, we are using your high pressure fluids which is used in your hydraulic jacks. And more importantly, we will be taking as air as a medium. More important, air as is taken as medium, which is nothing but your pneumatic system. So we are going to teach this kind of systems. What is the importance of lubrication systems, hydraulic systems, pneumatic system, which is directly carried out in your aircraft. So we will be just showing all kind of lubrication, coolant oil, and what is the fuel pipelines, like that. We will be teaching entire things in this laboratory, which comes into the category of lubrication and cooling system. The fourth experiment is nothing but your acceleration pumps. We have a different kind of pumps. For example, if you take any kind of gravity, if you take your tanks, normally you can see the tanks just behind, underneath your wing. So what normally do, you can see the structure of the wing. So we have the fuel tank. With the help of your gravity, the fuel will be coming to your engine. So this is the technology we are using for normal motorcycles, right? So the same kind of things, with the help of your pumps, we are just sucking that particular fuel from the tank and we will be feeding into the aircraft. So this kind of things is nothing but with the help of your different kind of pumps, we will be sucking the fuel from the fuel tank and it will be fed to the engine. So this is nothing but your car system. So take any kind of automobile industry, we have this kind of systems where the engine will be seen in your front panel side of your car, and you can see the fuel tank underneath the back side of the car. So with the help of pumps, we will be just sucking the fuel from the tank and it will be fed to the engine for combustion. So this kind of setup and what kind of setup we will be doing, like that we will be demonstrating all kind of things to the students in this laboratory. Experiment number 4 is nothing but your fuel pumps and more importantly the importance of your carburetor. What is the importance of your carburetor? Like that we will be showing manually and we will be teaching all things. And fifth is nothing but your aircraft wood. So it is nothing but you have your normal plywood and we will be cutting into different kind of shapes and we will be doing all kind of joining. So we have T-joint, butt joint, like that, lap joint, like that. With help of tools we will be just pasting two different kind of dissimilar method with proper dimension with your gluing area. So this is number 5th experiment. And 6th, with the help of our powerful welding, used for one of the most powerful welding, almost 99% we are using MIG welding in your aircraft industry. So this MIG welding we are going to teach it. The basic 3 experiment we are going to carry out in TIG and MIG welding. So metal inert gas welding. So what we are going to do it, we are going to teach the students 3 important types of welding. One is your T-joint, V-joint and butt joint. So 3 important experiments comes under the 2 important welding machines. One is your TIG, another thing is your MIG. Next, you go with your fabrication and patching work. So that is the most important thing. When the aircraft has any kind of structural damage, what we are supposed to do is we want to do the patching work and we want to do the repairing work. With help of different kind of special tools, we have around about 20 to 25 different kind of special tools and riveting tools and patching work tools. Like that we will be explaining all the tools and we will be teaching the students with the help of how to use the special tool in order to do the patching work of the wing section or any control surface or any kind of fuselage part of an aircraft. So they will be learning all kind of tools like patching tools and riveting. Like that we are going to teach them in the 7th experiment number 7 is nothing but your fabrication and patching work of that particular surfaces. And comes to 8 is your flaring. So flaring is nothing but it is a pipe-like structure where with the help of that particular flaring tool you can do all kind of bending with your normal things. So normally this kind of flaring can be seen in your civil construction. You have your big rod, and they will be doing all kind of bending with the help of the bridge, right? Same kind of advanced tool we are using in this laboratory for doing the bending of different kind of metals. So it is nothing but your flaring experiment. So that comes under the category of 8. Experiment number 8 is nothing but your tube bending and flaring. And coming to your next experiment, the 9th experiment is nothing but your sheet metal forming. So this is nothing but your cutting machine, where the sheet metal will be taken into consideration. With the help of the sheet metal, you just put it inside the dimensional shape. We just mark all kind of shapes, and we will do all kind of sheet metal cutting. And with the help of the sheet metal, we will be just marking according to the dimensions of the given parameters. Like that, we will just mark all kind of things, and we will do the drilling of that particular sheet metal. And last but not least is your composite experiment. We used to call it as one of the most important experiment in this laboratory is your the 10th experiment is nothing but your composite laminate. So if you take the airline or aircraft industry, composite material is one of the most important material, where the structural weight of that particular material is very less. It's a mixture of different kind of material which combine together. So you have the composite with your two important categories. One is your reinforcement, another thing is your magnets. So we will be teaching the reinforcement part in this laboratory. So what is a reinforcement and what kind of technology is used for reinforcing the two different kind of metals. So like that we will be taking into consideration. We have the resins and glass fibers in this laboratory. So the students can use the resin and they will be doing the reinforcement part. Finally it becomes a composite material. So we will be teaching how to make a manufacture a composite material with your normal plants. Thank you. This is the video which consists of entire 10 experiments, and I just give the introduction of entire Aero Engine laboratory. What is the objectives? What is the outcomes? And more importantly, list of experiments which is there in this laboratory, and what is the tool that we are using in this laboratory, and more importantly, we will be seeing all kind of different kind of syllabus kind of things. We will be just seeing in our next video of experiment. Thank you.